CBE being the first class, we expect a lot of changes from the parents because they'll come to change the pathways, they'll come to change the schools and everything. So we expect a busy schedule until all the process is over. Parents are still in confusion, they are still yet not very sure about the CBE, the grading and everything. But we are issuing them with the necessary knowledge on how the learners performed and what they expect and what the kind of school they'll be joining.
You see, CBC needs the rightful equipment and facilities, because you cannot deliver something without the rightful equipment. So I'm trying to tell our government that may you please kindly give us the things we need, especially the learning materials and of course well-educated teachers under this curriculum, which is CBE.
Concerning the transitioning of grade 9 to grade 10, with all these challenges, we are calling upon the government actually to hurry up the process. Next is that we have not seen enough textbooks for the new syllabus, actually for the grade 10 students. So we are calling upon the government to act with a high speed so that as we open during January, we can have the textbooks which the teachers actually can use to teach the new students actually of the new system.